Okay, good evening po dyan mga Battle fans. Welcome po tayo sa ating the quarterfinals po ng ating liga ng mga Porties. Friendly po tayo ngayon. The time remaining is 4:40 remaining. The score is 11-4. Laman po ang Team CAS or Qatar Aviation Services. Dito si Arvin G Vlog, si Juno Masbang, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. It's in. Okay. Basket good. Welcome back muli po sa atin sila. And nice to be back in here sa ating home ngayon dito. Number 15, grabbing show. Number 2, pops up. Nope. Rebound again by number 2. Number 12. Nawala ang bola. Number 15, driving show. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound. No, it's din. Same ball. Wala pa rin. Nandun, and number 2 again. Your short stop is good. Short stop good. Si 8-13 na 5. Laman po. Laman po na wala. Mas number 3. No good. Rebound battle 1 by. No, it's not good. Again, number 2. CAS on the run. CAS on the run po tayo. CAS on si Roldan. Kick pass kay number 2. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Ruiz. Hoy! Traveling sasabi daw. Nag-travel ka dun. Travel without passport. Roldan. Number 2. Number 12. Cornelia. Number 15. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound by Dwight. 10 to Masbang. Masbang, the big man. Big man Masbang. Binababa ang bola. Dwight for 3. Kapos. Rebound. 2 points. Nice putback. Nice putback by number 21. Cornelia. Number 15. Number 2. Number 2. Pops up. Number 15 again. 15 again si Ruiz. Kapos. Nando si Masbang. Ruiz. Nagmamadali. Ruiz. Out of bounds. Out of bounds, sorry. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Roldan. Okay. Pops up number 15. No good. Rebound Ruiz. Ruiz nagmamadali. Binabambol ni Ruiz. Slowly but surely. Number 13 again. Pops up. No good. Rebound by number 15. Kick pass. Number 37. Roldan. Umatake. Si Roldan umatake. Roldan. Kick pass. Ornila. 2 points. Balik na muli po sa 8 ang kalamangan. Balik muli po sa 8 kalamangan muli po ng the CAS. And now, number 10, Ruiz. Kick pass. Hoy! Wrong pass. Okay, nagsama po ang Team Oryx. Okay, nagtama pong Oryx. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Ruiz, 2 points Ruiz. Pinse. 15-9. Laman po ng 6. Hornila. Number 15. Driving strong. Pops up. Kukos. And stepping on the line. Stepping on the line po. Stepping on the line po siya. Stepping on the line. Masbang. The big man. Big man Masbang. Ruiz. Pops up. Bala. Kaldag. Ruiz. Ruiz ang bola. Ang bola Ruiz. Nandun si number 12. Top naman kay Soliano. Ruiz. Posisyon. Soliano. Driving shot. Floater shot. No good. Rebound Masbang. 2 points Masbang. Big man Masbang puts it back. Tuloy po tayo mga boss. 15-11. 4 na po kalamang from the high of 8 points. Now, balik muli po tayo sa 4. Roldan. The winner of this game will face outright with a twice to beat advantage ng in-flights. Pops up again. No good. Okay, that's it. First quarter's finished. Kami po, second quarter po tayo. This game is brought to you by the team, by the following sponsors. Una po, ito po ang liga ng mga 40s po natin. The Friendly League. This game brought by Team LBC Hanang Padalay and Thread the Needles. Of course, sampo natin dyan ng SPB ARA and PSBQ Basketball League. And of course, deals with welcome now to the quarterfinals. First game for the day, CAS versus Oryx. The winner of this game will face the twice to beat advantage po na in-flights. And afterwards po is Boleros and Airport United. Yan po ang mangyari po dyan. And take note po ha, ito po ang Boleros ngayon. Yan ha, kawin po dyan Boleros. Full force sila ngayon ha, full force pong Boleros ngayon ha, full force po yan. Yan, full force po sila, talagang dumating na yung yung batalyon ng mga Boleros. Balik muli po tayo, Melvin. Shoutout po kay Mr. Martin, Mr. Lipit. Yes sir, Sir Babagay Julius, maraming salamat po sir. Good. Mega love shoutout po sa iyo. And Melvin pops up, bank shot, no good. Rebound number 0, Olea. Sa Sinjo, nandiyan na rin. Of course, nandiyan si Rivera. Olea pops up, no good. Rebound by Carriazo. Nope. Okay, white ball talaga. Tap away from. Shot kay Scott. Scott is watching also. Labrado driving strong. Melvin, Chudelax. Melvin again. Carriazo, nanamutik Malakawan. And of course, Team Kako. No good. Rebound by out of bounds. Out of bounds po tayo. Out of bounds po tayo. Number 24, Rivera. Rivera binabang bola. Now again, si Rivera din. Dalawang Rivera nagsama yata. Rivera. Yes, welcome back po. Namiss ko talaga to. At salamat din. Safe lang po tayo yun. Rivera. And now pops up 24. Bank shot is in. Balik na muli po sa 6 mga kalamangan. Labrado binababang bola. Labrado binabang bola. And again now po kay Melvin. Limkako. Thinking pass, Nobis Carriazo medyo naipit ng konti. Lumabas muna. Carriazo for 3. No good. Rebound by Limkako. No good. But same ball. Touch last by Cas. Scott, nanood po ngayon. Melvin. Kumakat. Ayun! Nanakaw niya yung Olea. Eto Rivera. Tapos na kagad yan kay Rivera. Ang bola. Rivera 2 points. Again, balik muli sa 8 kalamangan. 19-11. Second quarter action. 7:57 remaining. Nandun na nakawan na naman. Hop. Labrado. Out of bounds. Box. Balik sa puti. Medyo mainit. Balik sa puti. Hop. Sorry. Okay. Pops up. 3 points by Carriazo. 3 points Carriazo, 19-14. Lamang muli po ng 5. Rivera, binababa ang bola. Rivera, yan po ang parang Matt and Jeff combination ni sino pa to? Yung lumawag yan sa Standard League po yan. Yan, Rivera parang party rin cream yan dati. And of course, Amien Sir Badjol is watching, of course. Sir Badjol is watching. Of course, nandiyan si Melvin to Labrado. Labrado binabambola. Labrado. Minamanobrang bola. Okay, now Chudelax. Kick pass, Limcaco again. No good. Chudelax, si Daisy, same ball. Fresh 14 seconds siya. Shot lock time ulit. Fresh 14 seconds shot. Muli po tayo. Again, muli po tayo. Labrado. Turn around. Fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound by Melvin. Melvin, bank shot. Nako, wala pa rin. Foul! Nine, 6:43 remaining. Airport United, where na you? Dito na mi. Mag-half quarter na. And now Rivera. Sancho. Nope, it's Rivera again. Pops up Sancho, 2 points. 21-14, umalago na naman. Laging balik sa pitong kalamangan ng Cas. Chudelax, 6 hands away. Limcaco, pops up, 2 points Limcaco. Sabay maway ka pa, sabi niya. Sumabay ka pa, sabi ni Limcaco. I'll make that shot. 24, number 0, Olea pops up, no good. Asinjo, Dalida, wala pa rin. Rebound, Limcaco. To Labrado again, Labrado. Ayun na naman siya. Labrado! Palpal ni Rivera si Labrado. Rivera, Asinjo, wala. Chudelax. White ball sabi, white ball. This ball is white, sabi ng referee, ball is white. Melvin, Labrado, Jolens, wala pa rin, pinilit. Jolens, Rivera, foul. Carriazo, second team foul po yan, Paulong Carriazo. Second personal, second team foul ng Team Oryx. 5:8:19 remaining, second quarter action. Rivera, no good. Second shot, jumper shot ready. 21-16. Jumper ready for Rivera. It's in, nothing but net. Balik mo na, JB Jose is watching. Miss Jose is watching. Bajol is watching. Just cut. Ayan po tayo. Please like, share, subscribe po natin po itong ligang ito. Carriazo. Bank shot is made. 3 points pa. Banking pa yan. Banking. Bank shot made para kay Carriazo. JB is watching. Arman Bajol is watching. Marami po tayo yun. Sige po. Okay, second quarter live po tayo. Of course, nandiyan po si Dwight, si Ruiz, Soliano, si number 21, si Albo. Meron ka sa kabila po, of course, nandiyan si Roldan, si Ornila, si number 15, si number 2, at si number 30 ng CAS. Yan naman tayo. 15, number 2, pops up, bang! Mabilis kagad si Romy, Mr. Romy, shot by Romy, 24-19. Balik muli po sa limang kalamangan. Again, Dwight, Kumat. Oy, traveling ka doon, sabi ni referee, double dribble. Balik muli po tayo, Roldan says, mana, so it's, steady lang tayo, sabi ni Roldan, steady lang daw tayo. And now to Romy pops up, no good. Okay, white shirts, swarming again. White shirts, 24-19. Kick pass, labas bang, power move, foul. How you gonna stop a big man, Masbang? Guess, take a pick. Okay, Dwight for the inbound. Dwight. And Ruiz, dumiretso, pops up. Masbang. Power mo, pound na naman. Big man Masbang again. Naka-rebound si Big man Masbang. Again. Masbang, pops up, nope. Okay. Nando si number 2, Shiromi. Of course, nandyan si Mr. Roldan. Roldan, wala. Rebound Masbang. Kick pass. Neto Soliano, Siliano, magantay mo niyan. To Ruiz. Ruiz to Dwight. Dwight. Pops up. No good. Masbang naka-rebound. Malalim. Nice rebound. And mali pinasahan. Tumama sa pa. 24-19 still. 3:16 remaining. Dwight for 3. Ayaw. Dwight. Dwight again. Walang tawag. Roldan. Roldan. Ayun. Hornila. Malakas. Hop. Foul. Called on Luis. Foul called on Luis. 3:01 remaining. 24-19 score po natin. Okay, balik tayo. Ito na po na number 15. 15. Kick pass. Robbie, palpal. Palpal ni Masbang. Kick pass na kay Ruiz. Ruiz nagmamadali. Ruiz. Dwight. Cutting in. Slicing. Dicing. Malakas. And fouling. Slicing, dicing, and fouling. Dwight shooting for 2. 24-19 ang score po natin. Nag-time up po ang Cas. Timothy Seb is watching, of course. 24-19 ang score po natin. Laman pa rin po ang Cas sa tagtong ito. Jepox Kamar is watching. Sir Akain. Si Big Boss Akain, nandiyan din pala, nanonood din. Buka nag-scouting na sila. One of these teams could be the maring lalabanan po ito ng in-flight. The winners of this game will face in-flight in the semis. Pero twice to beat advantage po ang in-flights. Okay? Okay, Dwight shooting for 2. Samantala po sa kabila naman po, pag nanalo po, kung sino man manalo po sa Boleros and Airport United will face, of course, the PC21 boys. Dwight again, second shot, jumper shot ready. Second throw, jumper shot ready po ni Dwight. Dwight, second throw. Pops up. It's in. Both basket made. Okay, that's short. The smallest lead now been hold. Meron boss. Ang mananalo dito boss, Ian, ayan ang kakalabanin sa semifinals. Hornila. Roldan for 3. Nope. Rebound, Masbang. Nope. Swiped away. White ball. Swiped away. Ruiz. Masbang. Difficult shot. Dwight for 3. Kapos. 1:52 remaining. Mag-halftime na po tayo. Roldan driving. Palpal. Uy. 3-on-2 situation. Ruiz pops up. Kapos. Pops up Ruiz again. Wala, malakas. Save by Hormila. Again, nakuha. 2 points. Nice steal. The smallest lead so far, 24-23. Isa na po ang kalamangan ng pinangwakan ng CAS. Roldan. 1:02 remaining. Number 15. Pops up. Number 2. Foul called. May sabit. Nasabit. May sabit daw. May sabit. Sumabit. Okay. Romy shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second shot jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw jumpers ready po tayo mga boss. Okay, basket made po 25-24. Ayan na. Cut. Dwight. Ruiz. Dwight again. Nandun. Still completed. Hell ball situation. Okay, isang bola. Okay, black ball. Billy Shen is watching. Ayun. Romy. Palpal. Hormila. Wala rin. Soliano. Masbang. Malalim. Sayang yung basa, malalim. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. Roldan. 2 points, Roldan. Buzzer beater ka pa, sabi niya. Halftime po tayo. This goes 27-24. From the height of 8 points, now down to 3 po. Ginapa po ng konti.
Charger ka ba? Type-C ko meron?
Type-C na yun dyan, pati ulo na yun dyan. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Sir Billy Shen is watching. Okay. Okay, balik tayo po tayo. Ito na, ayan na, on the attack ngayon. Change court na po tayo. Badjola, and of course, nandyan. Carriazo again, Carriazo, Badjola. 27-24. Carriazo. Uy! Ay, teka, wala. Hindi ko man orasan. Tumirik. Okay. This is your Friend League Dabas League. Titas and Titas League po tayo. Okay. Trade and Needles po tayo and Team LBC. Welcome now to the quarterfinals. First game po natin ngayon, CAS and of course Oryx. Afterwards po is Boleros and Airport United. Okay, balik-balik daw tayo. Reset daw sabi. Reset. Okay. Reset daw, reset. Okay, Labrado, Limcaco, Tapo sana. Lobby, Chudilax, hounded. And to Carriazo again, Carriazo for 3. Nope. And Labrado, first 14. Labrado. Naipit si Labrado. Taka. Na-stuck. 27, Asinjo called for a foul. Again now to Labrado. Kumat, Limcaco. And now to Carriazo driving strong. Labrado! 2 points Labrado. Si Labrado lang pala kinakalaan doon. Si Labrado now again to Rivera, Billy is watching. Iod Shior is watching also. And to Rivera again. Another Rivera 2. Rivera again. Rivera 16. Dalida. Asinjo pops up. No good. Chudilax sa rebound. Chance now to take the lead for the first time para sa Oryx. And to Nando sa Asinjo. Carriazo driving strong. Limcaco. 2 points Limcaco. Okay. Change favor po tayo yun. Oryx leading by 1, 27-28. Okay, binabanata ngayon. Ito na si Rivera. Asinjo again. Binawi. Nope. Ayaw. Nando si Badjola. Nando si Asinjo. Pero nando si Limcaco. 2 points again Limcaco. Albert Dino Marasigan is watching. Marvin Hombre also is watching. Oleya, naipit ang konti. Binabantayan. Rivera 24. Nope, Kaldag. Oy! Same ball. Who's foul rep? Number 14 called for a foul. Labrado, pangalawa mo na yan. Sabi nila. Oleya. No, pops up. Rivera. Malakas. Asinjo, palpal. Difficult shot. Nandun. Si Mr. Chudilax. Carriazo. Minamadali. Carriazo. Malakas. Foul. Foul on Badjola. Albert Dino Marasigan is watching. Si Birdie. Valera, number 24. 27-30 from sila po ngayon, Oryx po ngayon nang nag-lead na ngayon by 3 points. Rivera, binababa ang bola. Oleya, Sancho. Si Sancho lang sinasabi, bantayan si Sancho. Oleya, zigzagging, pops up. No good. And Carriazo. The Jet. Naipit si Carriazo, pero may foul. Carriazo for shooting for 2. Valera, Asinjo, labas muna raw. Carriazo, shooting for 2. Number 11, Carriazo, shooting for 2. Carriazo, first shot. pasok. Carriazo, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Carriazo, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Wala. Balik. Okay. Salamat po sa 8,000 viewers po natin yun. Thank you very much po. Please do like and subscribe po sa aking page po, Martin Iberizo Vlogs po. And afterwards po, ito po ay of course ma-upload po ito sa aking YouTube channel, Arvin G Vlogs. Matay Sanchez, number 15, Mataya Sanchez, 3 points. From downtown, 3 points by Matthias. Alex Magallanes Soleta, shout out po Martin, good luck po sa both teams. Maraming salamat po, sir. And of course, si Mr. Carriazo, Padjola, ayun, Labrado, zigzag na naman. Bako. Chudilax, wala pa rin. Oleya, bigay ito, bigay. Bigay, Dalida, naipit. And Rivera, pops up. Wala. Wala pa rin. Kick pass, nandito si Dalida. Dalida. Wala. Sumabit. 6:13 remaining. And Carriazo, 2 points Carriazo. Pinektus. Pektus. Banababa po rin ngayon, Mr. And of course, nandyan si Rivera. Of course, nandyan si Roldan. Kick pa, ang lakas ang pasa. Okay, balik po sa puti ang bola. And substitute muna po tayo si number 2. Number 2, papasok muna para kanino? Kay Rivera, number 16. Go, Mr. Carriazo from Marie Carriazo. Of course, with a smiling face. Pops up, Padjola. Malakas. Roldan, nagmamadali. Ayun na, Dalida. 2 points, Dalida. Napaka-sharp naman nung, grabe. Chudilax. Pops up naman, Lintao ka, boss. Dalida, Sancho. And Roldan. Uy! Foul called. Of course, Silim Kako called for a foul. Number 20. Number 20 shooting for 2. That's Roldan. Wala. Second shot to Roldan. Jumpers ready po tayo to tie the ball game. Para Sir Isa, just sila shout out po din si Sir. And belated Eid Mubarak. Pero may putback. Si number 2, pinutback niya. 2 points. Sir Isa, belated Eid Mubarak po sa iyo po, sir. And maraming salamat po. Okay, 32-33. I think that will be 34-33 ngayon. Dahil nako po ni Romy ang bola. Okay, change favor muli po tayo ngayon. Balik muli po sa kasang Kalamangan. Eto na muli po tayo ngayon si Mr. Dwight. Then to Mr. Ruiz. And of course si Melvin nandyan din sa wings. Basbangos is there. And of course, eto pinapasana. Yan si number 21. Number 21, driving Sean. Still completed. Foul. Same ball. Sir Albert, 34-33, laman po ang Oryx, ang Caster. I repeat, laman po ang Cas, 34-33, laman po ng isa. Okay, ito po tayo ngayon, Roldan, inbounding again. Roldan, inbounding, number 20. Number 15, binabanata muli po. Dalida, ayun, number 2. Wala. Rebound, Masbang. Naghanap ang open man, wala siya mahanap. pass. Oy! Hawak mo na si referee, sabi. Roldan. Roldan, binabambol na Roldan. Roldan, pops up. Ayun, Dalida, naipit. Roldan muli, Roldan muli, Roldan muli, Roldan. And of course, number 15. Wala, pops up, Dalida. Wala. Nandun si 21. Masbang. Hoy! Same ball. Binababa na naman. Nandun si number 2. Nice defense for number 2. Roldan, 2 points Roldan. Class bonus shot pa coming up. Roldan. Roldan 20. Wala. Rebound by the white shirts. 36-33. Lamang ng tatlo muli po. 3:30 remaining. Salamat din po sa Panginoon. Okay. Melvin. Oy, foul called. Balik tayo, of course. 3:20 remaining, 36-33. Melvin shooting for 2. This shot is brought by Team LBC Haning Padala and of course Fred and Eagles. Melvin out. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second shot, jumpers ready ni Melvin. Marvin Hombre, shoutout kay number 2, Jepoy Romy. Okay. Pops up. Wala rin pareho. Kumik pass kay Roldan. 2-on-2 situation. Walang pinasahan. Walang pinasahan. Oh, may naligaw. Kaya, Idol. May naligaw ah. May naligaw. Oy, di paligid nyo. Balik muna kayo. Di. Uy! Oy, kick. Same ball. Okay, Ruiz. Dwight. Uy! Ayun lang. 2 points. Maganda yung depensa ng Cavs talaga. Talagang sinabi pa sa amin, sila talaga kinakailangan manalo dito. Pero hindi papayag yan, of course, ang team nila Melvin. Nice steal. Nice interception to Melvin again. Melvin from the strong spot. Naku, maling pa sa muntik na boy. Ruiz. Melvin. Dwight for 3. Nope. Sorry. And Roldan. Foul. Dwight. Substitution. Labrado pinasok muna para kay Melvin. Roldan number 20, 36-35 to extend the lead up to 3 points. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Two points. Put back. Again, lamang na 3. Ayun, yun na pa. Olea, 2 points. Ruiz. Foul, Olea. 0 called for a foul. This. No good. Sa pataw. Mas bang for 3. No good. Shoot relax. First 14 seconds. Walang pinasahan na naman. Sayang. Walang kumat. Banganda sana yung play sana. Balik tayo, Roldan. 40-35. 5 ang kalamangan muli po ng Team CAS. Number 15 for 3. Bang! Number 15, 3 points. Pickleball. Pickleball. Okay, the score is 43-35. 3 points out of 3 points po. Number 15. Robas tunay tigasin pero gay. Si Mr. Al-A. Limkako. Sabi ni Babagay. Tuloy po tayo mga boss. Woo! Balik tayo, ito naman sila. Labrado. Labrado again. Mas bumper 3. Nope. Rebound Bajola. Nawala bola kay Bajola. Handball situation. Who's ball rep? Who's ball rep? Black ball. The ball is black, sabi. Nice hustle play by the Cash Boys. Roldan, gumingiti na. Again, Bajola. Nando si... Op! Op! Okay, sabi po ng referee, same ball daw po tayo. Stepping po si Carriazo. Again, Olea. Olea. And now to number 15, yung bigyan ng labol ng 8 kalamangan. Di pa pre. Third quarter pa lang. Magpo-fourth quarter na. Carriazo again, Carriazo. Umatake si Carriazo. Carriazo! Labrado! Ano yun? Ha? Olea called for a foul. Penalty situation, Team CAS. Labrado shooting for 2. Labrado shooting for 2. Laman po ng 8 ang CAS. It's in. Najim McGovern is here is watching. Good din po sir. Second shot. 6 seconds remaining. It's out. Nandun si Labrado. Nandun, nice pass. Naku, sayang lang. Nice pass sana. Okay, that's it. After 3 quarters, bumalik muli pa sa driver's seat ang Team CAS. The score is 43-36. You're watching now the first game for tonight sa ating quarterfinals. Quarterfinals po, sorry po. Quarterfinals po yan between ay, Ben. You're watching right now the first game for tonight po na between CAS and Oryx. And of course, mamaya po, Baleros, Airport United. Where na you? Dito na kami. Airport United also. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa ating laro. Okay, white ball muli po tayo. White ball. Labrado. Fourth and final quarter na po tayo yun. Fourth and final quarter na po tayo yun. Ito na do. Ito na po tayo, Labrado. Ito na, last quarter po tayo yun. Badjola. Ayun! Mutik na. Labrado again. Labrado si Jagger Sway. Labrado! Wala! Ayun, Talita! Bang! Chudilax again, minamadali. Chudilax, now to Labrado. Chudilax connection. Labrado again, Carriazo. Chudilax. And one play, Chudilax. Chudilax shooting for the bonus free throw at 9:17 remaining, fourth quarter action. Pops up Chudilax, kapos. Rebound battle one by Carriazo. 2 points Carriazo. 4-point play pala ginawa nila. 45-40. 5-point lead muli po tayo. 4-point play pag ginawa pala nila. 4-point play. Ito na po muli tayo. Rivera against Badjola. Rivera pops up, no good. Caldag. Foul called. Asinjo, pangatlo ni Asinjo. Eto na muli po tayong yun to Mr. Badjola, okay. Clear the ball. And si Carriazo for 3. Kapos. Badjola. Up. Black ball. Nice effort. 8:30 remaining. The score is 45-40. May lamang. Meron pa yan. Marami pang oras yan. Rivera. Pops up Asinjo. Wala. Chudilax. Badjola lipit. Carriazo! 3 seconds ka doon, boss. Naipit ka. 45-40. Wala pa rin pong at this point, after 2 minutes of play, wala pa rin nag-i-score. Balik tayo. Matayas. Nuki. Hand check, foul called. Nuki. Hoy. Nasa na yung Airport United? Where na you? Dito na mi. Rivera, no good. Rebound battle and same ball. Fresh 14-second violation. Fresh 14-second shot clock. Okay, Badjola labas muna para kay Ruiz. Quality minutes kay Badjola. Asinjo. To Rivera. Asinjo, nakalusot. Wala. 2 points. 2 points. Ruiz. 2 points, Ruiz, 2 points. Dalita! Bang! Dalito 2 points. 6:52 remaining. 6:48 remaining. Chudilax. Limcaco. Nope. Rebound by Labrado. Palpal. Out of bounds. Balik tayo sa ating laro ngayon. And a timeout called for sure. Substitution rin ba? Okay, si Mr. Romy pumasok para si Injo. Parang pumet si Melvin Diata. Bebera. Nice drop pa sana. Ayun, kay Labrado. Labrado mag-isa. 2 points Labrado. 5. Romy, naipit. Sancho. Rivera. 3. Traveling pala, sorry. Traveling violation call by referee. 49-44. Sige. Takbong may lupa. Labrado. Foul. Masbang shooting for 2. Masbang shooting for 2. Masbang shooting for 2. It's in. Nothing but net. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw. Jumpers ready for Masbang. No good. 49-45. Apat. Ayan naman siya. And one play made. Labrado. Number 15. Shooting for the bonus free throw. Dan Lendel de Guzman is watching. Kapos. Masbang. Nandun si Rivera. Oleya. Again, Oleya. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by Matay Sandro again. Saves the day. 53-45. Ito na pinakamalaking alumil. 8 muli kalamangan. Masbang. 2 points. 55-47. 8 kalamangan. Yeah, Rivera. Number 15. Pops up, Rivera, malakas. Carriazo. Ruiz. Judilax. Oh. Sancho 2 points. Kabit-kabit eh. And a timeout call by Team Oryx. Kabit-kabit na yun yung ito na tipo running gun play. Ito yung tipo running gun play talaga ngayon ng Team Oryx. The score is 57-47. Laman po ng 10 ang Team Cash over Oryx. White ball. White ball. Balik tayo sa laro. 57-47. 3:59 remaining. Ruiz. Chudilax. Basbang, 2 points. They find the open man. Olea. Romy. Olea. Olea pops up Romy. 2 points again, Romy. 3:16 remaining. Tik na. Chudilax pops up. Nope. Pariaso. Foul, take 2. Ruiz, number 10. 2:52 remaining. Kapos. Second shot, jump is ready. It's in. Siyam. Siyam ang kalamangan. Roldan. I think they'll start to move the clock. Pops up. Kapos. Chudilax. Traveling violation. .223 remaining. Mag-last 2 minutes na. At tapos malalaman natin sino po ang taong makakasama sa semifinals ng In-Flights and PC21 Boys. .210 remaining. Olea. Pops up. Nope. Labrado naman. Labrado. Palpal. Dako, sayang. Yun lang. Stepping violation. Oh, warm up na. Warm up na. Oh, sino? 1:44 remaining. Roldan. Labrado again. Labrado. Labrado, 2 points Labrado. Sabuna kay Dalida. Naniniguro na ng kas. Naniniguro ng kas. Nagpasok na isang birador si Dalida. Ang birador na si Dalida, pinasok na. Foul! Cariaso called for a foul. Third pa lang yan. 61-52. Foul again. situation. 1:03 remaining. Roldan shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Second throw, jumper's ready. Christopher B. Flores is watching. Thank you po. Roldan, second throw, jumper's ready po tayo. Uy. Wala. Labrado naman. Hey! Foul! 54 seconds. Rivera, second personal foul. Ruiz shooting for 2. Laman po ng Asyam. It's in. Second shot. Second throw. It's out. Foul. Kas, at time po ng Kas. Okay, back to the ball game.
2 free throws, total done. 51 seconds.
Roldan, 2 points for 2. First shot good. Second throw, Roldan. Second throw, Roldan. Foul. Rivera shooting for 2. In. Second shot. Nope. Foul. Olea shooting for 2. Penalty situation po ang team Oryx. First shot Olea. Out. Second shot Olea. Jumpers ready po tayo. It's out. Masbang. Kick pass na Brado. Foul. Hop! Wala. 2 points na Brado. Hop! Foul again.
Ruiz.
Again. Okay, Mr. Rivera shooting for 2. Chodirax. No good. Okay, I think that should be it. Okay, hinihintay na lang natin. I think they conceded already. And welcome to the semifinals. Team CAS winner over Team Oryx. Okay, nanalo na po ang CAS versus Oryx. And welcome to the semifinals, Team CAS. And afterwards po is, ito po yun, Airport United versus the Boleros. Maraming salamat po. And again, pumili po. Welcome to the semifinals po, Team CAS. Thank you very much. And back po tayo po sa ating saying game.